students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject Maths. Standard first. Topic is let us learn subtraction. Dear children, you know addition, right? Addition means plus, getting total or joining together, correct? Addition means we get total number of objects, total rupees, total things. You know that, correct? Like that only. One more basic operation, that is subtraction. See dear children, here you can see the birds on the branch of a tree, isn't it? And we can see here 5 birds, right? Now some birds, they flew away from their place. See here, right? Now how many remained here? Like these sums we are going to learn in subtraction. Okay? In addition, we made the total. We joined together. We collected together the things. In subtraction, we take out the things. Okay? We minus the things. Let us see. Here, Yash and Rama. They are sitting and they are enjoying the jamuns. Here, Yash had how many jamuns? 3 jamuns. You can see here, right? Yash had 3 jamuns. Now you know that Rama is his best friend, isn't it? So, Yash gave 2 jamuns to Rama. Can you see here? In Rama's hand, you can see 2 jamuns. Correct? Okay. Now tell me, how many jamuns does he have now? Earlier, he had 3 jamuns. He gave 2 to Rama. And how many are there in the plate? Yes. Here is the answer. Yash left with 1 jamun, a single jamun, right? Same thing we will write in numbers. See, earlier there were 3 jamuns minus he gave 2 jamuns to Rama. So what left? Only 1 jamun, isn't it? You can see only 1 jamun in the plate. This is nothing but subtraction. He gave 2 jamuns to Rama, so we deducted or we taken out 2 jamuns out of 3. So what remained? 1 remained. Got this, children? And this sign, a small line tells minus. Okay? This tells us the symbol for minus, and this you know, this is equal to, right? You have to read 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay? Let us solve some more problems. Observe carefully. Here you can see a picture of frogs, right? Now, here 5 frogs were on a river bank. This is river, correct? Water you can see. And how many frogs were there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5th one. 5 frogs were on a river bank. 1 frog jumped into the water. Here, this green wala. Okay? It jumped into the water. The question is, count how many frogs are on the river bank now? Yes, Count here how many frogs? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here, first we will write the same thing in the number 5. Earlier there were 5 frogs on the river bank minus 1 jumped into the water. Correct? So here 1 is equal to how many remained on the river bank? 4. Isn't it? 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Same thing we will write in the other way by making the box. First, how many were there? 5 were there on the river bank. Right? So 5 here. Okay. Here minus. How many jumped into the water? 1. So let us write 1 here. Now you know 5 minus 1, that is 4. Or here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are on the river bank. Right? So here now there are 4 frogs on the river bank. Got this, children? Very simple. Try to understand properly. Earlier there were 5. 1 jumped into the water. So how many remain? 4 remain. Got this? You can use your fingers for subtraction also. How you use your fingers for addition? Like that only you can use your fingers to do the subtraction. Okay? One more example. Birds. 5 birds. They are sitting on a branch of a tree. Okay? Let us write here. 5 birds are on a branch of a tree. Oh, 1 flew away. See what word I am using? Flew away. उड़ गया. Okay? 1 more flew away. कितने उड़ गए? Yes, 2 birds flew away. The question is, count how many birds are there on a branch. Count here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Right? Our answer is only 3 birds are there on the branch of a tree. Correct? Now, we'll use numbers. Earlier 5 birds were there. Minus 2 flew away. So, how many remain? 3. Correct? In the tabular form, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, let us write here 3 birds left on a branch. Got this? 5 थे, 2 उड़ गए, बचे 3. Isn't it? Good. I hope you are understanding. Next, let us try to make a story. Okay? We will make a story. Yes. See here. Eggs. How many eggs are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? 7 eggs are there. We'll write there were 7 eggs. कितने थे? 7 eggs थे. Okay? Out of these 2 eggs spoiled. देखो 2 eggs here. This is 1 and this is second. Spoiled means खराब हो गए. Can you see here the black spots on the yolk? Correct? खराब हुए. कितने खराब हुए? 2. Right? Question is, how many eggs remained? Good condition में कितने eggs है? Yes? Okay. Let us use the numbers to write this. 7 eggs minus 2 spoiled eggs is equal to 5 eggs in good condition. Right? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. इधर 2 क्यों लिखा हम लोगों ने? Because out of these 7, 2 eggs spoiled. सो उनको निकाल डाल रहे हैं, खराब हो गए वो, उनको निकाल देंगे तो बच्चे कितने अच्छे वाले 5, राइट. विल यूज टेबल 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, correct. And last, let us write here 5x remained. Okay, got this? One more story. Wow, so nice balloons. Yes, dear children, now here we will not write anything. We will try to understand. First, how many balloons are there? We'll count 1, 2, this is third one, back side, okay. This is 4, this is 5th, and this is 6th. How many balloons are there? Total, there are 6 balloons tied together. Okay. See here, what happened? One flew away. Yes, second also flew away. The balloons are light in weight, so they fly like birds. Correct? Yes. How many remained here? Let us write here. How many balloons remained? 4 balloons remained. Right? Remained. देखो सब्ट्रैक्शन में क्या वर्ड आया? Remained. याद रखो. Flew away. Taken away. Okay, all that comes in subtraction. Okay, let us use numbers to write this sum. Earlier 6 balloons were there, 2 flew away, so how many remain? Only 4 remain, isn't it? In tabular form, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Got this? Yes? Okay, very good. Here we will list out the words that we use for subtraction. We listed the words that are used for addition, like total, plus, altogether, right? Collect, increased, right? You know that train we did and we added the words one by one, like that only. Here we use different words for subtraction. Let us list here. Okay, see this. Left. Yes, how many left? Means this is subtraction, minus. Okay, earlier there were 5 birds, 2 flew away. How many left? Means subtraction. Eaten. Earlier I had 5 chocolates. I have eaten 3 chocolates. How many remained? Okay, eaten means also we have to do subtraction. Remained, you know this. We have used this word in the examples. Correct? Next, spoil. Out of 7 eggs, 2 spoiled. Okay, how many left? Isn't it? That also tells us about the subtraction. Next is flew away. Right? Birds flew away. Balloons flew away. Feathers flew away. Right? So how many left? Again subtraction. Then directly subtracted. That tells us doing subtraction. Okay? Next is minus. You know the sign minus, a short line, right? That is called segment. Okay, in real mathematics we call that one as segment. Okay, that tells us minus means subtraction. Given. See here, I had 10 rupees. I have given 5 rupees to my friend. We have given means again subtraction, because now you have only 5 rupees. Isn't it? 10 minus 5 we did. Correct? Next, taken away. Yes, some object, some things that taken away. Then how many left? That also tells us about the subtraction. Next is decreased. The number is decreased. Means it became less. It became small. Means again subtraction. Okay, got this, children? Slowly, how we solve the examples, like that you will come to know the meaning of each and every word. Okay? Here we can write like this about the subtraction. Taking away a smaller number from a big number is called subtraction. It is shown by the sign like this, okay, small line, and read as minus. Okay, M-I-N-U-S, minus. For this, children, always we take away or we minus smaller number from a big number. We can't take out big number from small number, isn't it? Right? Okay. Observe the pictures and fill in the boxes. We will go through the picture. Wow, so fresh and red apples. And here box is given. See, dear children, first we will go through this. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So below this 6 is written. Total 6 apples are there. Okay. Now arrow mark. Here also 6 apples. Out of these 6, 3 are cut. See here, this cut line is put. Right? Means 3 eaten. These 3 apples are eaten. One by me, one by you, and one by your friend. Right? So only 3 remained here. Correct? 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, now tell me 6 minus 3 is equal to how much? How many remained at last? 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. So this 3 number we will write here. Now read this. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. In the box what will come? 3. Because out of 6, 3 were eaten. How many remained? Only 3. Got this? Okay, some more examples we will go through. See here, papads, karam kuram, right? You like, na? So I have taken this example. Okay, here also box we have to fill. Okay, here starting only box we can see. Now we'll count these papads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us write 8 here. Because 8 papads are there here. Correct? Now arrow mark. Now here how many papads cut? 3. Means 3 papads are taken away, otherwise 3 papads are eaten. Right? So 3 written here is equal to how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So number 5 is here. 5 papads remained. See, I am using remained. Eaten. Isn't it? Okay. Got this, children? Yeah? Let us move to the next example. Here we can see boxes. Right? How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes are there. Arrow mark. Yes, now we can see only 3 boxes. How it happened? Let us see. Let us try to write the number here in the box. 7 boxes were there earlier. Now only 3 boxes remain. Means what happened to rest all boxes? Okay, first we will try to cut the extra boxes. Okay, because only 3 boxes remained. So this cut, 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 cut. Correct? Here only 3 boxes remain. Right? 1, 2, 3. And these 4 boxes are taken away from this place. So if we write 4 in this box, then our sum tallies. See, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, isn't it? Out of 7 boxes, 4 boxes are taken away. So only 3 boxes remained in that room. Got this, children? Yeah? Very nice. Next, here directly the sum and the box is given. Please observe this carefully. Come on, tell me the answer. What must be there in that box? Or which number we have to write in that box? Earlier 3 were there, 2 cancelled. How many remain? Single. Very good. That is 3 minus 2. That is 1. Very, very nice. Here you can see the smiley stickers. Okay, the question is there. Earlier there were 4 stickers. Now you used 1 sticker to stick in the notebook. How many remained with you now? 3. It is given, correct? So here in the box, shall we write 1? Yes, that is used by you to stick in the notebook. Am I right? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Correct? Wow. Next, this is homework. See, dear children, here you can see triangles. One I will show you. Rest all you have to do. Okay. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. And in the answer you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. So let us write first. In the first box, let us write 8. And in the answer box, let us write 6. Okay. Earlier there were 8 triangles and now there are only 6 triangles. Means what happened to these? Yes, 2 triangles. Very good. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Means here we have rubbed or we have taken away or we have destroyed, whatever. Okay, that 2 triangles. So we got only 6 triangles now, isn't it? Like this only you have to think about these pictures. Means you have to study these pictures first, then you have to think about how many were there earlier and how many left now. And you have to decide how many cancelled or how many taken away, like that. Okay, you have to fill these boxes. I hope you understood the concept of subtraction very clearly, right? Because we have used so many examples, isn't it? This also you have to observe carefully the pictures and you have to write the proper and the correct numbers in the boxes. Okay, then you can show this your work to your mother or your elder sister, brother or any elder or to your teacher. Got this, children? Are you happy with the lesson? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.